Hey everybody, it's Bruce here with Traveling with Bruce. I've got some breaking news here. December the 30th, 2019. The MSC ship Grandiosa had a little run-in with the Pier over in Palermo, Italy today. Nobody hurt, a little scuffing up, will be all right. Thanks for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for giving my videos thumbs ups and giving me comments on my videos, everybody. I really appreciate it. Welcome to TWB. I guess this morning, December 30, the Grandiosa was positioning herself in Palermo when her back end, which right here is in perfect condition, here's what happened. She got caught on the pier right at the corner, and as she was maneuvering herself, she basically sheared off the corner here of this pier. The pier looks like to be in more difficult to shape than the ship itself. This is the moment of impact. That's a still from a video that was taken from quite a distance away, but the absolute back corner of the Grandiosa just clipped it, and well, what can we say? It looks more cosmetic than anything else, although there was some damage sustained to the back corner of the ship. No leakage, no water issues. The ship, as a matter of fact, as we are speaking right now, is already on her way to Valletta at 21 knots. The largest ship in the fleet for MSC. Beautiful vessel. The artwork inside the ship, it's stunning. 650 million euros to build her, so a little over 700 plus million American dollars to build this ship. She can handle 5,700 passengers at maximum capacity with over 1,600 crew approximately. So we're looking at over 7,000 people on the ship. It's a stunning vessel. But yeah, they'll get some paint on it. They'll clean that up, and over on the pier, the insurance adjusters will be busy working today, taking photos and getting estimates, and they'll get it all fixed up. Nobody hurt. It's all okay. It's a quick update. Thanks for joining me today. Happy New Year, everybody. We'll talk to you later. Bye for now.